areas of the similar triangles in that exercise 6.4. Third problem, see here. The question is given to you. I will show the question to you. ABC and DBC are the two triangles on the same base BC. The AD intersects the BC at O. AD intersects the BC at O. Then show the area of the triangle ABC. Ratio of the area of the triangle ABC to the area of the triangle DBC is equals to AO by DO is asking to you to prove. Okay. So this is the question here. So what you need to do here? What is given to us? Given thing is that ABC and DBC are the two triangles, and here already I told that these two are based on the same base. This is the base BC. Okay, base is common here, and on this base two triangles, and here ABC base is common for these two triangles, and this is BDC. You may have anyway. It is looking like in the given figure they are the parallelograms. It's looking like they are the trapezium. It is looking like the trapezium, but it is not the trapezium. And these two are intersecting at a point O. So now asking to you to prove, we need to prove that area of triangle ABC triangle, and area of triangle DBC triangle is equals to AO by DO. So here the two triangles you take into consider. Okay, so whenever you are taking two triangles into consider, a small construction is needed in this problem. Whenever you are taking these two triangles, whether these two triangles will become the similar, whenever the areas of the two, this is very important and a different question actually, whenever you compare with other questions. So what is a change in this means, usually area of the two triangles, whenever asking, we will check that these two triangles similarity. When you are checking these two triangles similarity, you need to confirm that, you need to see that squares will be there. But here in the given problem, square is not there. So what to do here in this situation? So in this situation, we have to drop the perpendicular. See, ABC triangle is there. Na? For ABC triangle, you drop the one perpendicular here, like this. This is perpendicular. Let us consider E. AE is the perpendicular. So what is the area of the triangle ABC? What is the area of the triangle ABC? Half into base into height. So board is blurred.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it is clear, I think.
Yes, sir.
It is clear now? So here, what I am doing here, I am dropping the one perpendicular from the A on BC. BC पे एक perpendicular drop कर रहा हूँ. So when you are dropping the perpendicular from the A to A, BC पे drop कर लिया तो then area of the triangle ABC will become half into base into height. Base is BC and height is AE. In the same way, you try to drop the perpendicular from the D से एक perpendicular drop. So draw the perpendicular, that is, you name it as a FTF. Now what we are going to get it? Area of the triangle DBC. DBC is equals to half into base into DA. So half into base into D. Okay, now here let us take this one only. So what I am doing, what we are doing here in this, here in this question nothing is given. Two triangles are on the same base, it is given to you. That's all, nothing else. So draw AE perpendicular to BC and DF perpendicular to BC. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle BC. See here, always you are not supposed to think only in a one direction. Area is nothing but areas of the two triangles. Whenever it is given that, it doesn't mean that you need to take the only areas of two similar triangles concept only. You are not supposed to take here. Okay. So here, what to do here in this situation? Half into base into height also area of the triangle will get. So half into base. Base is here BC we are taking, and height is A by half into. Here also base is दोनों को same base दे दिया है BC into and DF is the height. So this half BC will get cancelled. AE by DF we are going to get, but we need to prove that AO by DO. You observe properly that the two triangles AEO and DFO. You keep it this one side, DF here. Keep it aside. In triangle AEO and DFO, triangle DFO. In these two triangles similar or not? Are they
Yes,
similar
sir,
or
they are
not?
similar.
Yes,
sir,
they are similar.
So
That
by
we need to say.
similarity.
Yes, that we need to write here. So in this angle AEO is equals to angle DFO because both are 90 degrees. In this AOE is equals to this DOF because vertically opposite. So by AA criterion, triangle AEO is similar to triangle DFO. AEO similar to DFO. If these two are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. Their corresponding sides are in proportion. So what are their corresponding sides? AE by DF you can take. AE by DF is equals to AO by DO is equals to EO by FO also. EO by FO. So once I have changed the question, same question, here instead of giving this one, AO by DO, okay, AO by DO is given to you, okay. So by giving this perpendiculars I have already given. By giving the perpendiculars, instead of that, if I may ask here, instead of this one, I may ask to prove that EO by FO also you can ask. It is true. Why? Because this is equal to EO by FO also. EO by FO. The question can be changed a little bit by dropping the perpendicular. Think that, sir, question wrong. No. When you are trying to remember the question blindly, oh, either AO by DO hoga bolte, you are not supposed to remember. Mathematics is not a subject like that. Do remember, okay? So here, what to do here? You can write here EO by FO also. Now here, from here you can say that. From 1, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC is equal to AE by DF. This AE by DF is equals to AO by DO. This is equals to actually EO by FO also we will get, but here in this question it is not necessary. But this question it is not necessary, that's why I am not writing. Suppose the question is given to you that to prove EO by FO also. If the question is given to you to prove EO by FO also, then you need to write here EO by FO. Then here EO by FO. But while the question is given compulsory, the question means question में perpendiculars mention करना है. Actually in this question perpendiculars are not mentioned. Perpendiculars are not mentioned. Perpendiculars we have constructed. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubt here? Very interesting
sir.
question. Simple logic is there. No doubt, na?
No, sir.
Okay. So now the
No,
fourth
sir.
question you see here. Next question: if the areas of the two similar triangles are equal, areas if areas are equal, then they are prove that they are congruent. So the question is here. This is the question. So what is given here? Areas of equal. Then they are congruent is asking you to prove. Can you prove? Can we prove it?
Yes, sir.
So what is given here? Given is, let us consider the two triangles. Let us consider here. Okay. Let area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle DEF. These two areas are equal. Okay. If the two areas are equal, it is asking when the two areas are equal. Okay. And also given that these two are similar triangles, it is areas of two similar triangles. Already it is mentioned. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle. It is not given that the triangles names, but we are considering here. So this implies that area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equals to AB by DE whole square is equals to BC by EF whole square is equals to AC by DF whole square, isn't it? If the two triangles are similar, their corresponding means areas, ratio of the areas of their sides, ratios of the areas of the two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding sides, square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So here, these two are areas are equal. It is given. So when these two areas are equal, you can replace one by the other. Area of the triangle ABC by area of triangle ABC. So what do you get here? AB by DE whole square is equals to BC by EF whole square, which is equals to AC by DF whole square. So these two are equal means they'll get cancelled. One we are going to get. So AB by DE whole square equals to 1. BC by EF whole square is also equals to 1. AC by DF whole square is also equals to 1. Then from this, what you can say, AB by DE is equals to 1. BC by EF is also equals to 1.
Sir,
AC by DF is yes.
sir, the board is completely blurred, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, nothing is visible.
Yes, sir.
From the starting onwards.
No, from
No,
start
sir.
two,
Starting
3
of the
minutes.
problem.
So
No,
from
sir.
2, 3 minutes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. From
Yes,
starting of the
sir.
problem.
Priyanshu, what is that? Okay. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what here two areas are equal, it is given to you. From the equality we are taking into consider this one. Okay. So AB by DE is equals to 1. So from this you can say that AB is equals to DE, BC is equals to EF, AC is equals to DF. So corresponding sides are equal, we are getting. So by SSS congruency actually ratio similarity. We are asking to you to prove congruency by SSS congruency. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Therefore, at last conclusion, you need to write that if areas of the two similar triangles are equal, then they are congruent. If they are equal, they are congruent. So the next question here, it is given to you. DEF are the respectively midpoints of the AB, BC, CA of triangle ABC. Find the ratio of the area of triangle DEF to triangle ABC. So actually, this question was previously you have solved it in 9th class only. So DEF are the midpoints of the triangle ABC of AB. AB का midpoint D है, BC का midpoint E, AC का midpoint F है. Okay. So what is given to you here? Let us take the triangle ABC. A, B, C. Okay. And if D is the midpoint of AB, AB का midpoint D it is, and BC का midpoint E. Midpoint. So midpoint is nothing but this length is equal to this one. This length is equal to this one. This length is equals to this one. Okay. So now here asking to you to prove find the ratio of the area of triangle DEF to ABC for any triangle. It may be the any triangle. There the midpoints it is given. Ratio of the area of triangle DEF to ABC. Can anyone say what will be the ratio of the area of the triangle ABC to DEF? DEF to ABC is the question asking. Please be careful. Question. Sometimes the question may be changed. So blindly you are not supposed to learn. I always insist you to question में क्या दे दिया है? In the question it is given that DEF area of triangle DEF to ABC. DEF to ABC is given to you. DEF to ABC is given to you. So what are the things here you can observe here? Suppose if the question is asking ABC to DEF, वो अलग है. A means अलग is nothing but here if you get a is to B, if this is A is to B, if you are getting, suppose I am saying, can anyone say that what will be the ratio here?
Sir, 4:1.
By observation. Huh?
Sir, 4:1.
Area of triangle DE to area of triangle ABC. This is a question asking this one. Find the ratio of area of triangle DEF to ABC. DEF to ABC to 4:1 हो सकता है?
Sir, ये 1:4. Sir, ये 1:4.
That's what I am saying. Yes, that observation. ये क्वेश्चन पूछे. Suppose question may be sometimes change to सेम क्वेश्चन. आपको बहुत ज्यादा लोगों को दिमाग में क्या होता है, ये फिगर याद रहता है. फिगर याद रख के ये आंसर, ये एक पार्ट है, इधर 3 पार्ट, टोटल 4 पार्ट्स है. तो ये 4 पार्ट्स है तो ये एक पार्ट है. You can normally guess like that. Okay, approximately. But asking what it is asking to you, that is very important. What it is asking to you. Okay, it is asking to you DEF to ABC. So DEF 1 part है, ABC 3 parts, but all are equal parts actually. So that's why 1:4 you are going to get. You will get 1:4. If area of triangle area question में देखो ratio of the area of triangle DEF पहले पूछा है, ABC बाद में पूछ लिया. ये पॉइंट्स ज्यादा कंसंट्रेट करना. मोस्टली हाई अचीवर्स क्या करते हैं ना, वो जल्दी बाजी है ये दोनों सेम बोल के समझता. There is a more difference between these things. Ratio of triangle DEF and ABC, ABC and DEF. First ABC, next DEF is given 4:1 now. So वो 1:4 and 4:1 कैसे होगा? Let us see. Okay. So वो prove करने के लिए we have to prove that these two triangles are similar. These two triangles similar prove करना है. So how do we prove these two triangles are similar? Which two triangles? If you are proving these two triangles are similar, so what to do? Similarity prove करना है और क्या करना है? Is there any other method to us to do? Because we are dealing with the similar triangles, areas of similar triangles topic. So can we prove that these two triangles are similar? You should think like that. Okay. अब क्या दे दिया है? ये दोनों midpoints दे दिया. ये दोनों midpoints दे दिया. So this length will be parallel to BC. And this will be the half of BC by the midpoint here. BC में half होगा. That means ये DF is equals to BE होगा. DF is equals to half of the BC होगा. By the midpoint. Midpoints it is given na. So these two are midpoints is given. By the midpoint theorem you can say that this is parallel to this one and this is half of this one. So what you are going to get DECF. ये क्या होगा?
Parallelogram.
This becomes parallelogram. In the same way, this becomes parallelogram. In a parallelogram,
Diagonals bisect each.
here diagonals bisect each other लेके क्या करेगा?
Opposite sides.
हमारा main
Opposite-
intention क्या है?
Opposite sides
Yeah.
are equal.
इक्वल वो इक्वल है, उसको बेस्ड में ही हम लोग ले रहे हैं ना पैरेललोग्राम को.
Two pairs of parallel lines. Two pairs of parallel lines.
Okay, if they are parallel, what do you write? What do you take?
DE is transversal.
Huh?
DE is a transversal.
D is the transversal you are taking. Okay, transversal if you take. बेटा पैरेललोग्राम लेने का जरूरत क्या है? ये सारा बोलने से.
Sir, opposite angles will be equal.
Yeah, very good. Opposite angles are equal. So when you are taking opposite angles concept here, this angle will be equal to this angle we are going to get. This is the angle in a triangle DEF. This is the angle in a triangle ABC. Did you understand whatever I am saying?
Yes, sir.
And in the same way, when you are mentioning this is the angle, this is the angle. Now can you say that which two triangles are similar from this figure? You should be ready to say that which two triangles are similar. ABC, okay. Triangle, wait a minute. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle dash. Sorry, area like similar. Dash. Fill that blank. Objective type of question.
FED.
Huh? ABC is no. Okay. If you write FED, okay, you write after writing you need to confirm that A should be equal to F. Angle A equal to F होगा. No. Before saying you need to confirm that. Okay. At least after saying you need to realize that. So ये right है. A equal to F होगा. B equal to E होगा. B equal to E. ये दोनों angle equal है इधर. So you are saying the similarity by what similar condition? By what similarity you are taking into consideration? There are different methods may be there. You may have your idea, different idea. That's why I'm trying to extract from you mostly. समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? But no answer is coming. ये क्या होगा?
Sir, can I say?
Yes, anyone.
Sir, angle ADF equal to angle ABC because DF and BC are parallel lines.
I am asking to fill the blank with the triangle name. Triangle ABC similar to triangle dash. I am asking to fill that blank.
Sir, EFD.
EFD is right. Because already we are saying that B equal to F. Angle B and F are equal. Red color में दिखाया. Angle C equal to D. Angle C equal to D. Because opposite angles of the parallelogram. They are the opposite angles of the parallelogram. Opposite angles of the parallelogram are equal. That concept we are taking. Now by AES similarity, you can say that ABC is similar to DEF. If ABC is similar to DEFD, ratio of the areas of these two triangles is equals to square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. Problem is easy when you are analyzing. And now mostly you got the solution. So with the step by step, I'm going to write the whatever I told you. Okay. So what you have to do here? It is given that by the midpoint theorem, first you have to mention that by the midpoint theorem, what is given, let us write. Given D comma E comma F are midpoints of AB, BC, CA respectively in triangle ABC. By the midpoint theorem, midpoint theorem you can use, or basic proportionality theorem also you can use. But actually, by the midpoint theorem, you can say that DF is parallel to BC. BC लिख सकते हैं और BE भी लिख सकते हैं, isn't it? BC भी लिख सकते हैं, BE भी लिख सकते हैं, and DF, okay, BC only right, and DF is equals to half of the BC, and EF is parallel to AB, and EF is half of the AB, and DF is parallel to BC. Sorry, DF parallel to BC already we got. DE parallel to AC, and DE will be equals to half of AC. So this is parallel to this one. This is parallel to this one. Therefore, you can say that as BF is parallel to BE and EF is parallel to AB actually, but I am writing BD. BD. Therefore, what you can say? BDFE is parallelogram. And from this you can say that angle B is equals to angle F, because opposite angles. Opposite angles. Similarly, this one, CEDF is also parallelogram. This implies that angle C is equals to angle D. Angle C is equals to angle D. Now, in triangle ABC and triangle. Either you can write the DEF. EFD लिखने की जरूरत नहीं इधर. If you want here, you can write the DEF. But better you write here also EFD. In this triangle, angle B is equals to, in this triangle EFD में F को equal, B equal to F, C equal to D by AA criterion. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Similar. So therefore, area of triangle DEF, it is asking for you to prove this one. Area of triangle ABC is equals to ratio of their corresponding sides. Na? So DE by AB whole square. But DE is equals to half of AC. Actually,
Sir,
it is not necessary. You can take DF by AC also. Here, whenever you mention the name, so be careful. Here you can mention the name anyway. So that's why if you write like this, it is wrong. DE by AB is wrong. So that's why you don't write DE by AB. Whatever the triangle name we are taking in the same way only. Here also I wrote wrong, but you are not identifying. ABC similar to DEF लिख रहा हूँ, but you are not identifying. ABC similar to DEF होगा.
no, sir. It will be EFD.
Already we have discussed, but you are not identifying. So this is the generally what the people will have the एक tendency will be there. ABC similar to DEF. वो गलती से यही ऐसा गलती होता है. So इधर EFD लिखना है तो इधर भी EFD लिखना है. तब हमको गलत नहीं होगा. So what you can write here, EFD whenever you write here, EF by AB whole square. EF by AB whole square. So what is here? EF is equals to half of AB. Or AB is equals to 2 times of EF. So you can write here EF by 2 times of EF whole square. Just is for number 1 दे दो. Here you write from 1. So what you get here? EF will get cancelled. 1 by 2 whole square will get, which is equals to 1. समझ में आया? Anyway, you are having any doubts?
Sir, what you wrote last third line?
Last third line. EF by AB whole square लिख दिया ना? You can write EF by AB लिख सकते हैं, ED by AC also. ये AB is replaced with 2 times of EF from here. AB is equals to 2 times of EF now. EF is half of BC is nothing but AB is the double of EF. AB is the double of EF now.
Yes, sir.
So that I have written, and EF will get cancelled. 1 by 2 whole square will get, that is equals to 1 by 4. Did you understand? Problem is not lengthy.
Yes.
You may think that it is very lengthy, but clear explanation it was given to you. So that's why it is looking like that. Is it clear to you? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, let us move to the next question here. 6th one. Prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. Medians को equal करके prove करना. It is equals to the sides actually we know, but median को भी equal करके prove करना. Okay? Question. If you understand the question, then if I give the figures to you, two triangles, names, and you should be ready to say that what to prove. If you are ready to say what to prove, two triangles it is given. Take the two triangles. Question number 6. समझ में आया? Area of the two similar triangles. Two triangles to be taken, and they should be similar. So let us take the triangle ABC PQR. What is asking to you to prove? Can anyone say? Given triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. And here, can you say what is asking to you to prove mathematically?
Can I say? Sir, it is asking us to prove that if two triangles are similar, and then we have to
From the
prove
figure,
that
from the figure you say, not in a sentence form, just mathematical forms
sir,
with the symbols.
it is given to us that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and we have to prove that
Oh, sorry,
the ratio
PQR.
of we have to prove that the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to AD upon PM whole square.
Yes. Ratio of corresponding medians is equal to the square of the ratio. We know that ABC, area of the ABC by PQR is equals to AB by PQ whole square, we know. But asking to you to prove AD by PM whole square also. For that purpose, what we need to prove? Already you have done this more than half of the problem in this one, in the previous exercise.
ABD triangle is similar to PQM triangle.
ABD triangle is similar to PQM triangle. If they are proving, if we are proving that, we will get AB by PQ is equal to AD by PMI. Okay, so that we need to prove. Either prove karna hai wo, because this question is given to you separately. We have to prove it. How we proved that one? That you try to recall it. From this, what you can say? It's a just AB by PQ is equals to, I am taking this one, BC by QR, and angle B is equals to angle Q under. Now BC ले लिया, BC में half ले ले, so AB by PQ is equals to BC by 2 by QR by 2, and angle B is equals to angle Q. BC में half क्या है? BD. So AB by PQ is equals to BD by QM, and angle B is equals to angle Q. Therefore, by SAS criteria, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. ABD is similar to PQM. Isn't it? Now, from this, you can say that AB by PQ is equals to BD by QM is equals to AD by PM. But ये जरूरत नहीं है हमको. It is not necessary here in this situation. So this is enough to us. These two are equal. Now, as triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equals to AB by PQ whole square, which is equals to AB by PQ equal to AD by PM. I am writing AD by PM whole square. So इसको 1 and from 1. Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ये solution complete solution है. Is it a complete solution? Or is there anything is missing? थोड़ा कम लग रहा है आपको? Actually, everything is fine, but we have mentioned D and M in the figure, but we have not written anywhere else. D is the midpoint of BC, AD is the median, and PM is the median. We are not written, so we have to write that as and AD and PM are medians. To make it very complete solution, I'm saying. हम लोग वो मेंशन नहीं किया है, हमको पता है, but ये means our explanation should be in such a way that the unknown person also should understand by seeing your paper. आपका प्रेजेंटेशन देख के उनको समझ में आना है, ये आपका दिमाग में है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ आपको समझ में आ रहा है, बट ये नया पर्सन आके देख लिया तो डी मिड पॉइंट बोल के कैसे समझेगा? यू आर नॉट रिटन एनीवेयर एल्स. If you write AD and PM are medians, then only BC by 2 will become BD. QR by 2 will become QM. How do we write? That points also better you mention very clearly. The reason लिख सकते हैं as D is the midpoint. हम ये use कर रहे हैं ना, D is the midpoint. BC by 2 is equals to BD. M is the midpoint of QR. QR by 2 is equals to QM because we are going. समझ में आ रहा है ना? So explanation should be completely in a proper. Explanation is not in a proper way, then it is not a complete solution. Did you understand? समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
So try to write complete solution. Try to write the complete solution. Okay?
Okay, sir.